Hi all, this video shows an interesting do-it-yourself project you can make using an old button phone. We take out the battery and disassemble the phone. Now you need to solder two pieces of thin wire to the contact of any button. That's it! Now you can reassemble the phone, but make sure the wires come out. Insert the subscriber identity module card and battery, then close the cover. Now let's check if everything works. By connecting the wires, button 5 is triggered. Now we need to assign a speed dial number to it. Next, you need to attach the terminal block to the phone using double-sided tape. Cut the excess and connect the wires to the terminal block. Nothing else needs to be done with the phone. Next, you'll need some piece of plastic. I took an old card that had already expired. Now, drill 8 3mm holes in it, as shown on the screen. Someone in the comments asked about the screwdriver. It's a Makita 330. And you can find one using the well-known e-catalog. And that's how it all turned out. Now you need to wind the wire onto the card, threading it through the hole. After winding one layer, solder a wire to it and wind the second layer similarly. After finishing winding the second layer, we solder everything as well. This is the expected outcome. The first and second layers are connected. Now we wind the third and fourth layers, which should also be connected, but not to the first and second layers. Next, solder a wire strand to layers 1 and 2 and another strand to layers 3 and 4. To prevent the wire from coming off, we'll secure it with hot glue. Now the other end of the wire can be connected to the terminal block. The do-it-yourself project is complete. Let's test it now. This device can protect your house or summer cottage from flooding. You just need to place this card in the spot where a possible water leak could occur. This could be a pump station or a heating boiler. If water gets on the card, it creates a short circuit. The contacts of the button, which has speed dial set up, and the phone immediately calls the number you specified. This homemade device is functional. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.